The first transformation here would be to shift. Which direction? Left by 3 units. Okay. And then number 2 is to have a vertical stretch by 2. And then number 3 is to shift down by 4 units. Okay. Now, one thing about the proficiency in this topic is that when you are given an equation like this one, can you just blast it all out and say, all right, here are the transformations. I can tell you right away in order. All right, move to the left 3 units, vertical stretch by 2, move down 4 units. Can you say all these things in 5 to 10 seconds with absolute confidence? If you can do that, you are in very good shape. That will be a little challenge for yourself. Okay. And so we have the graph shifted to the left by 3 units, stretched by a factor of 2. So the slope would be 2 and -2. And then down by 4 units. So we have a graph that is sitting at -3, -4 with a slope of 2 and -2. Okay, 2 and -2. So that's a graph, and you can go ahead and fill out the info right there. So domain again, it's covering all bases. Oops, sorry. X such that X is equal to all real numbers. Okay. The range in this case would be, make sure you practice writing your own range for each question. And if you have to make a mistake early. So it'll be from -4 to infinity. The set notation will be y such that y is greater than or equal to -4. X-intercept would be, x-intercept would be, let's take a look here. We have 2 nice points right here for the x-intercept. We have the nice point here for y-intercept. So x-intercept would be -1, 0. And then we have -5, 0. Y-intercept would be 0, 2. Axis of vertex would be -3, -4. All right, let me pause a moment right here. Are we good with all the info here so far? Okay, if you have a good graph, you get all the info very easily. Axis of symmetry, it's going to be x equals to -3. Okay, that's a line that splits the graph into 2 halves. Okay, and then max or min, there will be a minimum with a value of -4. Okay, so if you're able to write out all these transformations, understanding that these are just mechanical parts you fill in to indicate transformations, it's going to be very straightforward. Okay,